What is the sales vault? You've got sales challenges, right? It's difficult to get anyone on the line. Perhaps you finally get a chance to provide a quote, but your price is too high. Your task list is long, growing, and makes you feel overwhelmed. All of us in sales, whether we are reps or selling owners, have challenges. But where do you go for answers, for ideas, for motivation, for support? And what if you wanted it right now? I created the Sales Vault for you. It's a resource that provides the information you're looking for 3 ways. From an expert, that's me. From your peers, our community has some great input. And on your own, on demand, and when you want it. I run live workshops every week. The sales topics rotate and are chosen by the group. These are not presentations. There's no death by PowerPoint happening here. When you sign up for a workshop, you download a list of 2 to 3 questions, something to ponder and answer when the Zoom program starts. This allows me to shape the content according to your needs. As my friend Kelly Malazzi, the other expert, pointed out, no 2 workshops are ever alike, even if they're on the same subject. This workshop format also gives attendees a chance to share their thoughts, so we all benefit from the wisdom and experience of our peers. I've got 40 years selling in the graphic arts, and I've been presenting on this material literally hundreds of times. But when you take what I know about a subject and add it to the ideas and knowledge of attendees, the takeaways reach a whole new level. The Sales Vault also contains downloads. Members, or what we call insiders, have asked me for some sample prospecting letters. I wrote a slew of them and put them in the vault. One of the letters is so good, I consider it the best ever, and I can say that because I was not its author. One insider sent it to 14 impossible to get prospects and then called me after he got appointments with the first 3 he sent it to. I get a call from an insider asking for my thoughts on how to contact a dead account, someone who hasn't bought anything in a long time. I wrote 4 pages on the subject, including a script, and put it in the vault. There are email templates, voicemail scripts, and more, and it's available to you on demand. Also on demand are dozens of videos. Some are full-length recorded presentations on topics like time management, selling to vertical markets, selling digital and inkjet, overcoming objections, and more. We also have replays of previous workshops available when you want to see them. So what is the Sales Vault? Every sales challenge you face has been overcome by someone else. The Sales Vault contains my 40 years of sales knowledge in the form of videos, blogs, columns, and courses, all organized and searchable by sales topic. Add the workshops, peer discussions, downloadable templates and scripts, and you have one very, very powerful and valuable sales resource. Those answers that you're looking for, the ideas, the motivation, the support, that's what the Sales Vault has. That is what the Sales Vault is. Here's an idea. Click on the Events tab up above me. If you see a workshop that interests you, shoot me an email. I'll let you participate. Or perhaps you'd like to sit in on one of our Wednesday office hour calls and bring your sales challenge to the group for input. You're welcome there too. Whatever it takes, you are invited to get a taste of what's inside the Sales Vault. There's nothing like it anywhere. I'll talk to you soon.